everyone. How are you all?
Hello, coach.
Oh,
Great,
Hi,
awesome.
Mr.
awesome.
Pradeep.
Great.
Hi, Ms. Alka. How are you all?
I,
Hello.
we are
All fine.
enjoying,
How are you,
enjoying this
coach?
session.
Yeah, I'm fine.
Yes,
I'm doing great. So you remember
Yes.
yes.
the last activity that we did?
Yes,
Yeah,
yes,
we did
we
our
remember.
baseline non-expression.
Okay,
Mm,
remember. Okay, that's great. Okay, so
yes.
I just want you.
Mm.
Okay, so these things. How much have you improved? Just tell me, Hans. Do you have a breakthrough? I mean,
Yeah, yes, yes. Now, the breakthrough major is knowing that that I'm filled with values. I have lot of qualities. I know that I have self-respect on myself now. I
that
feel
is
so
great.
proud of myself.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
And you, Mr. Pradeep, are you
Yes,
getting a clarity? Are you getting
definitely.
some clarity?
Yes, yes, it is crystal clear. Now I am aware about me that
Okay,
what
okay.
I have
Right
to do,
now,
area, the
okay,
area where I have to focus my activities. It's clear.
okay. So right now, like we are going to do some activity. It's the change activity. Okay, you
Yes,
have to think of scenarios from a previous activity and try to see how they can make all your all your six baselines be satisfied uh, in all areas of your
Okay.
life.
yes,
The
Hmm.
outcome of this
Yes.
activity is to make uh, your life be in sync with all your six core baselines. Okay, so you remember your
yes,
baselines, right? You have to
yes, yes.
make
Yes.
like in the baseline non-effective activity, as you remember, the
Yeah.
the things in which the baselines were not being met. Okay, so I just
Yes.
want you to write like in terms of life, health, relationship, finances, etc. Okay,
Hmm.
so I just want you to
Yes.
write.
Got it.
I want you to write in which areas how your six
Yeah.
baselines are not being satisfied. Are not being satisfied. Okay,
Yeah.
Yes.
and, and step
Okay.
two is think of all the possible ways to make your six core baseline be satisfied in all these areas. Okay, so I just want
Okay.
you to write.
Yes. Right.
So
Yes.
Okay.
do it, please.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Done.
Okay, you have done.
Done.
So I would
Done.
like to
Done.
start with. So I would like to start with Miss Alka. So Miss Alka, in
Yeah.
Yes.
which area of your life are your baselines not being met?
In my career and in my fun recreation
Okay,
in these two areas.
okay. So give me three
And
uh, uh, so in which it is the so in which area it is the highest? Like I mean to
in
say,
my fun, in my fun,
okay, you
where my baselines are not meeting.
not
Yeah.
being had. Okay,
I've
okay.
rated very low. Yes.
So
It's
give me at
fun.
least three possible ways that you can just do it. Just you can make it better.
Uh, the
At least three
change I
possible
can
ways.
bring,
Yeah.
yeah, the change I can bring in this area is that I can uh, I can join a dance. I can do dance activity with my kids because I enjoy, and it will be great in sense of family activity. And since I
I think
love
you can
doing
smile.
music,
I think you can smile a
yeah,
bit. You know,
yes,
you don't have to be serious.
yes, yes, I should be
Yeah,
energetic for this
yeah,
change. And then,
energetic.
yeah, and one more thing I can do, I can try playing board games. I love to do that. So
That's good.
uh, I would fix a time weekly twice, and say on Sundays, also on Sundays one day, where
Okay.
they all get together and create a board games. And third, I can do is, I can keep track with my friends. That is the most fun time, and I can join them, going out with them for lunch, dinner, or joining even in organization clubs, kind of, where some fun activities can be done. So that is what
Okay.
I'm thinking.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm really happy that yes, I will bring this change in me.
Okay. So, so the thing is that, and the second one was that, uh, uh, and the second area.
It was career.
So how would you make it
So in
better?
career,
Three was
yeah,
at least.
I can make it better. Yeah, make it better. It is like, I am already a special educator, so I plan to do an advanced course in it. So
Okay.
that I'm going to do. I am plan to join a school or something. Not plan. I am something where I can be connected with and getting more experience with such working with them. So
That.
these two are there. And third is I also want. I have planned. I have also joining a course where I can develop myself more
Wow,
better.
wow, wow,
Yeah.
that's good. That's amazing.
Yes.
That's
And
amazing.
I'm. Yeah. Thank you. Thank
Yeah,
you.
you want to you want to share uh, you want to share some more?
Nothing. That's it. This is the change I would like to do. Yeah.
Okay, fine, fine, fine. Okay, now that you have now that you see that your baselines are being met, how do you feel?
I am feeling amazing. I am like now I have a clarity that what steps I have to take, which I never had. At least now I know that how can I
I
improve
want to
on
smile on your
myself.
face. It's not doing nice, you
Yeah, yeah.
have to be serious.
At least I am. At least I am aware now that how can I improve on it. So I'm very happy for that. Yeah.
Okay, so I want to ask you if you make decisions based on your baselines.
Yeah.
Uh, what do you think? What do you think? Would you accomplish? Uh, uh, would you accomplish? I mean, I mean, I mean, I mean, I mean, uh, uh, now,
If you're,
now that you have
yeah,
made
you're
your
saying me.
decision on your baseline, would you
Yeah.
accomplish what you have? What you have? Yeah, I mean,
Yes, I
I'm
would.
just written. Okay,
Yes, just written. What I've committed, I will 100% accomplish. I know
that's
I'll be really happy about it. Yes, I'm very much proud that and confident to move forward now. And majorly, I have gotten awareness
okay.
that my decisions now based on these baselines are going to make happy. And I'm also ready to take charge of my life. That is the best part I've learned through the whole this journey. So I'm really happy about it.
So okay. So so tell me the difference. Okay, I was want to know the difference. Like before you started the just before uh, uh, just before you started the program, how much would you
Yeah.
rate at that time, and now how
Yes.
much would you rate your life? I mean, right?
I at that time, yes, at that time I would rate myself at 3 because I was stuck, no clue what to do, not
Okay,
even a clarity about. But now I feel that I can rate myself at 7. Now
seven.
I have a clue. I know what is my vision. I can move forward now.
That is great. That
Yeah,
is
I'm
something
blessed with
great.
this. Yes.
That's good.
Thank
That's
you.
good.
Yeah.
Huge round of applause.
Yeah.
I would like to say this very frankly. Yeah.
Thank you. Thank
Okay,
you.
so let's move on to Mr. Pradeep. So Mr. Pradeep, you can just
Yes,
share some. You can share the same thing like the
yes, definitely. So my
in which
baselines were
areas are you?
not
Yeah. Okay.
met in two areas that I have rated low in Wheel of Life. That is wealth and career.
Okay. Wealth
So
and career.
wealth and career, yes. So
So give me
actually
at
there
least
was
three ways. So give me at least three ways
yes.
how to improve.
Three.
How to
I
improve
have
that.
decided. I have decided due to pandemic, we are confined in the house and I could not go out to do any job. So I have just searched on Facebook and I found there are so many avenues, so many scope. You can do anything from home. That is, I have done. I have just started, began share trading and investing in trading. I have started this e-commerce to do business, online
Okay.
business, and
That
I also started this Facebook ad and running this Google ad, how we can launch our products through this media.
wow, wow, wow.
And
Great.
thirdly, I have also got the code from insurance company that is Aditya Birla Sun Life Insurance Company. I am in health insurer. So if you need to have insurance, I can help anybody.
Okay, okay,
And
okay.
the
That's different.
and the fourth
Yeah.
fourth thing fourth thing which I have done,
connect with you.
I have done an Oriflame. There is one with the remote company is Oriflame. Actually, it is beauty product, but it's wellness product also. They sell. It is based on Sweden. So I have become the
Yeah.
brand ambassador of this company. So many
Wow.
things I have got, and just I will be galloping in the speed, and I hope that I will definitely meet my target of this wealth.
Wow,
I
wow.
will be wealthy
Right.
person. Within 2 months or 3 months, I have set my target to become wealthy, rich person, so that my career is going on this way.
See, so
So
many,
Wow.
in that way,
see, so many ways you have, and we
yes,
Yeah.
yes, yes.
and we say that we don't meet our baselines. Right now, you're
I,
getting a
I
clarity.
am exploring. I am exploring more. Just I have
Definitely go
joined
for
one
that. Go
one.
for that. See, the thing is to change the mindset only. Okay, the second area
And
was, please tell me.
second area was this career.
Okay,
Career.
okay.
One thing is wealth. Wealth I have told what I have done,
Suppose I
and in the
interrupt you, right?
aspect of in the
Suppose I
career,
yeah.
same thing I have just tell it. For career, I am joined the Speak and Grow company. They teach us how to speak before public speaking. Then again, I have started book writing. So in this way, I can develop myself and others also. I can guide others people. That's my
So now
motto.
you are a superstar actually. To be
Oh,
very frank, you are a superstar right now.
I want to become star. Superstar is.
Definitely, I'll just get in touch with you. Okay,
Thank
now
you
I
very
would
much.
like to ask
Mm,
you something. Now,
mm.
now that you are meeting your baselines, how do you feel?
Yes.
How do you feel
I'm
right
feeling delighted and elated, and so much ambition has come that yes, I can do anything. So much willpower has come within me.
now? Okay, okay, my next question is that if you make your
Yes,
decisions based on your baselines,
yes,
so what do you think? So what do you think? What do you think? Would you accomplish? Uh, would you accomplish?
yes,
Yeah, I mean, what you
yes,
have
yes.
written?
I, I will
What you have
accomplish.
just written?
I have made my vision and mission clear that
Okay.
I have to earn money. I have to become rich. I have to fulfill all my baselines which were not met. It will definitely met, and I'm a purpose of this life will be fulfilled. Yes,
Give us some tips, brother. No, give us
yes, yes,
something.
yes, sure, sure. I told earlier
I
that
don't
I
have
will.
so many things. You know, you
I,
have a lot of things to do.
Definitely,
We have only
I'm ready to. Actually, my baseline is compassion. That's why I'm in helping tendency. I will help others. I'll go do. I'll donate to social securities. I'll donate to trust for
okay.
development of society. Yes, yes, sir. Downtrodden people. So many things are in my mind. So
See,
to do it.
you're just doing
Yes, yes,
multiple
yes.
things at a time.
Just, just time to. I am trying to do so. Yes.
So, so my next question, the last one, of course, for the day, is that how
Yes.
much would you rate yourself? Uh, the time when you started the program and the time right now, like right now, I feeling the difference.
Yes, yes. In the beginning, I thought that yes, nothing can be done, easy going life. But when I completed this thing journey, then I realized no, I can do many things, and that's the result. And just I have told to you what many things I am doing now. So I can rate this in the previously 3 out of 10, but now I will rate it 8 out of 10 because the achievements is I am looking forward. The vision is clear in my before my eyes
Fine,
that
fine.
I can achieve.
Great. That's great. So are you happy right now? I get
Yes,
when satisfied.
yes, yes,
So it's almost the end. It's the end of week one,
yes,
and the
mm,
week two shall be starting, and that
yes, yes,
is the integrated power coding, and I and you get more clarity. I promise. If you follow the process, then you both shall be getting more clarity.
yes, definitely,
Right
Yes,
definitely,
now,
coach.
yes. Mm,
Yes.
mm,
that's the right mindset. We have to
Yeah.
go on together, and then
yes,
Yes.
and then you'll feel the difference.
Yes.
Okay, fine. So let's
So
do a ritual, right?
Our ritual. Yeah.
Yeah,
yes, yes.
definitely. That's mandatory.
Yes,
Okay,
yes,
that is mandatory. Uh, we can leave that. Okay. So it's one.
yes.
I'm counting to three, and we'll just start. Okay. One,
Yes, okay.
two, three. Woo!
Ooh, rock
Rock
stars.
stars.
That's great. That's great. Full of
Yes.
enthusiasm. That's loved it. Okay. So
Well
see you
done.
in the next class. Okay.
Okay.
Till
We'll
then,
meet again
yeah.
next day.
Have a great day. Have a great
Have a
weekend.
great day.
Yeah.
Have fun. Have a great day.
Yeah.
Yes.
Bye, everyone.
Yes. Bye.